In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Systeme.io. We'll walk through the fastest way to manually add a single contact, perfect for those times when you just need to get one person into your system quickly without doing a full import. I'll guide you step by step, explain why each choice matters, and share a few helpful tips so you feel confident from start to finish. First, let's get to the right place. From your main dashboard, hover over the Contacts tab in the main menu, then click Contacts. This takes you to your full contact list. Think of this as your central address book, where every person you add will appear and can be managed later. Now look to the top right corner and click the plus Create Contact button. This opens the form you'll use to add your new contact. It's streamlined for speed so you won't get lost in unnecessary fields. Next, enter the essential details. At a minimum, you must provide a valid email address and select a language. The email is how your messages will reach this person, so double check for typos before you move on. The language setting determines the default language for communications and system messages associated with this contact. Choose the language that matches what they expect to receive, so your emails and pages feel consistent and professional. You'll also see an option to assign tags. This part is optional, but it's a smart way to organize your contacts from the very beginning. Tags are simple labels you can apply to group people based on what matters to you, such as where they came from, what they're interested in, or how you plan to follow up. If you already use a tagging system, check the box to add the relevant tag now. A clear tagging strategy saves time later when you're filtering lists or sending targeted emails. Once you've entered the required information and, if you choose, assigned a tag, click Save to finish. Your new contact is now added to your database and will appear in your contacts list immediately. If you ever need to adjust details later, like updating their language or changing tags, you can open the contact from the list and edit their profile at any time. That's all there is to it. To recap, go to Contacts, click plus Create Contact, add the email and language, optionally assign tags for organization, and then hit Save. With these simple steps, you'll keep your list accurate, organized, and ready for your next campaign. Thanks for watching and happy building in Systeme.io.